My beloved servant, when you feel your faith shaking, know that I see you. I see your struggles, your efforts, and your pain, and I am here for you, closer than your heartbeat. Do not be harsh on yourself. Your faith will rise and fall. It's natural. You are human, and I created you this way. Do not let a low point define you, for your worth in my eyes is far greater than you can imagine. Look closely at your heart. Sometimes your iman flutters because your heart clings to the temporary over the eternal. Detach from the worldly and turn your gaze back to me, for I am the source of all peace and contentment. Speak to me, for I am always listening. Spend a few moments each day sharing your burdens with me, through words or even by writing. Tell me what troubles you, what breaks your heart. I am your creator, your friend, your refuge. Let me heal you. Disconnect from distractions. Step away from the noise of the world, social media, endless conversations, and focus on yourself. Your soul needs rest, quiet, and time with me. Surround yourself with reminders of my mercy. Listen to words that uplift you, reminders of my forgiveness, my love, and the beauty of this faith I have gifted to you. Let them guide you back to me. Study the life of my beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. Learn about his kindness, patience, and unwavering faith. Let his character inspire you to rise again and walk the path of righteousness. Remember, awareness of your struggle is a blessing. The fact that you feel your iman slipping is a sign that you care, that you are still connected to me. Use that awareness to take small, meaningful steps back to me, and I promise to multiply your efforts. Start small but stay steady. 5 minutes of Quran, a few words of dhikr. This small act, done with sincerity, are better than grand gestures done without heart. Build habits that last, and you will find your faith stronger than ever before. My dear servant, I do not expect perfection from you. I only ask for your effort, your sincerity, and your return to me. No matter how far you feel you have gone, when you take one step toward me, I rush to you with mercy beyond measure. Remember, I am always here, always waiting, always ready to forgive, guide, and love you. Ameen. Like and subscribe for more Allah message.